What's up guys, Delivery Matt here. So we are finally back for more first take reactions. Now we're slowly getting back into the daily, hopefully, daily song reactions. Now this is one that's been on my playlist for, let's see, how long? Over 2 months. Ever since it released, I saw it on my recommended and I put it on my watch later and I never got around to listening to it. But we're finally here. And that is, of course, none other than one of the most famous Naruto openings and one of the most famous anime openings ever, Bluebird by Iki Monogatari. Now, I know that even like most people that never even watched Naruto probably know this. This and Silhouette, I think, are the most famous ones, and Fighting Dreamers as well. Oh, actually, there are so many good ones. Go, and what's the other flow one? Sign. Oh my god. Straight up bangers. I want to rewatch Naruto now. But anyways, I don't want to spend too much time talking about it. As this is a first take performance, I'm gonna have to pause semi-frequently because the first take can be a bit iffy when it comes to that. But anyways, without further ado, let's go into the first take performance of Bluebird by Iki Monogatari. Oh, I'm so excited. It's been a hot minute since I've heard an anime opening being performed on Iki Monogatari. Or on the first take. I think the flow performances might be my favorite first take performances. Yeah, that's me. Haro, haro. Haro, haro.
ハローハローハローで行ってみましょうか。よし、それじゃ行ってみましょう。
Cute. Wait, before they go into it, I'm gonna take the pause right now so I don't have to pause for like another 40-50 seconds once we get into the song. But this is so cute. It reminds me a lot of the opening that Flow did when they went on the first take. They were like, a lot of people all over the world are listening to these songs and showing it a lot of love. I absolutely love it. It's so adorable. Oh my god. As I was saying, I think Flow performances on the first take are definitely some of my favorites. I don't know if I would say it's... Oh, the Creepy Nuts one is really good as well for Yofukashi no Uta? Or did I do Daten? Or did I do both? I don't remember. But that was an incredible performance. And also from Kanabun? Yeah, Nandemoya. Was it Nandemoya? Anyways, enough about that. Let's go into the song. Oh, banger! This is a certified banger, man. Oh. They have the entire orchestra. Wait, I need to pause it now. Whew, I kind of forgot. Oh, hopefully it's not gonna be a problem. Oh my god, I love this song. It's so good. Her voice is absolutely incredible. And the band, the live band, they had, was it violas or violoncellos? And they had violins. It's bass guitar, electric guitar. Holy, it's so sick. I absolutely love this. And the drums, obviously, it's so good. Ooh, I love the violin. Keyboard. Ooh, shredded. I need to pause it, sorry. Oh my god, this is so good. The electric guitar player is going in. He's shredding it. It's so good. Oh my god. This song brings back so many memories. I remember back in the day, this is one of my first shonens that I watched. Action shonens, I should say. And that's why I probably have a lot of fond memories for it. Oh my god, that was so good. Good old times, eh? Good old times. Man. The bassist is going in as well. Ooh, look at it! Okay, kill it! Whew, I need to pause it. Holy, they killed it. This band is so good. I don't know if Ikemonogatari, I have a feeling it's probably just these two, right? The singer and the guitarist. I'm not sure though. That's what it feels like, because just the two of them were talking at the beginning, but I might be wrong. And I'm guessing the rest of the band members are the members from the first take who are helping them create like a better performance. And it's absolutely incredible. I love it. I love when they get like a song, especially if it's like an older song that's well known by people, and then they add a lot of elements to it to make it sound more grand and just more epic. Oh, it's so good. Oh my god. Oh, she killed it. Yo, the drummer is going ham, by the way. How many violinists are there? We can let it play out. It's about to be over. Hopefully it doesn't cause any problems. We let it go for a while. Ah, cute. Cute, that's so adorable. Oh my god. That was really good. This was an incredible performance. The singer felt so comfortable, and she's just such an incredible vocalist. I don't think I've ever listened to the full version. Actually, I think I have. I just never listened to a live version of it, that's for sure. And she is incredible. They all are, or they both are. But man, what an incredible performance. This song is just every time I meet my friend who I watch Naruto with, this is the song we always sing. Just out of nowhere, we start singing this song every single time we meet. Just because it's such a banger. I think I quote this song more than I do like Silhouette even, which I think is a more popular song, like in the grand scheme of things. But this song is just, I feel like the most iconic Naruto song for me at least. It's so good. Oh my god, this is a banger performance. But that's gonna be all for me. If you have any recommendations for either Ikemonogatari or the first take performances, or just any songs in general, I gladly will take any recommendations and check them out. But if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.